in winter, Farmer Game was usually a happy man. He was comfortable. His wife was a good housewife. She was an excellent cook. His son was bright. He had Farmer Game a lot on the farm. Farmer Game had just one problem. It was a big problem. He worked for a very rich man in his town. The rich man was a very cross fellow. He was very disagreeable. He was trying to give his servant a hard time. In fact, he sometimes made their life miserable. One day, the rich man said to his Farmer Game, "Go pick me some mountain strawberries. I feel like having some nice, sweet, fresh strawberries." "But your richness," the servant had to call him, "your richness. It's winter. I can't pick strawberries in winter." It's kind Farmer Game.